Opened by the Great Eastern Railway on the 8th of February 1901, Goodmayes station on the Great Eastern Main Line out of London Liverpool Street once had an extensive shunting yard for goods traffic, but this fell into disuse following the beaching cuts to the railway system in 1963 and was eventually dismantled. The site of the yard stood on the area between the present track and the High Road and has been replaced since by a supermarket, other shops and housing. There was also a yard between the existing track area and Kinthorns Road. This yard went as far as Chadwell Heath. So let's get things started, shall we, with 345016, departing with the 0615 TfL rail service from London Liverpool Street to Shenfield. Going northbound through the station is 321440 and 321306, working 1K06 from London Liverpool Street to Southend Victoria. Coming out of the early morning mist and haze is 321, 322 and 321, 331. Working 2K09 from Southend Victoria to London Liverpool Street. With the 0622 to London Liverpool Street cancelled, your next service is 345007. Working the 0625 TfL rail service from London Liverpool Street to Shenfield. Next down out of the mist and haze is 321, 312 and 321, 307. Working 5K12 from Southend Victoria DSN to London Liverpool Street. Going northbound is 322485 and 321430. Working 1N02 from London Liverpool Street to Clacton-on-Sea. Coming out of the mist and haze is 345056, with the slightly delayed 0630 TfL rail service from Shenfield to London Liverpool Street. Next out of the station is 345012, with the 0633 TfL rail service from London Liverpool Street to Shenfield. With the cancellation of another TfL rail service in the form of the 0637 to London Liverpool Street, next out is 345042, with the 0640 TfL rail service from London Liverpool Street to Shenfield. It's time for the first time this series to get a little bit flirty as 745001 passes with 1P04 from London Liverpool Street to Norwich. Coming southbound out the haze is 321 340 and 321 319. With the delayed 1 Foxtrot 03 from Colchester to London Liverpool Street. Going northbound is 321 338 and 321 330, working 1K08 from London Liverpool Street to Southend Victoria. Next into the station is 345017, working the slightly delayed 0645 TfL rail service from Shenfield to London Liverpool Street. And as that pulls into the station, 321 438 and 321 301 pass, working 2A09 from London Liverpool Street to Harwich International. And as that passes, we get flirty once again as 745101 works 1P01 from Norwich to London Liverpool Street. Next down is the delayed 2K11 from Southend Victoria to London Liverpool Street, worked by 720 562 and 720 515. And the reason for these cancellations will become very clear in the next video, as 345014 arrives, working the 0655 TfL rail service from London Liverpool Street to Shenfield. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.